Shivoham, 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 Shivoham. Guruji, sometimes towards the end of the sadhana, I become uncomfortable, heated up. How should I deal with this? Should I just ignore it? So if it is uncomfortable, how you are going to ignore it? You cannot ignore it. So you have to give the attention to that. So one of the very important thing I suggested all the students is doing the breathing from the left nostril to control the heat in the body. So what you do at the end of the meditation, close your right nostril, just deep breathe from left nostril until you feel the heat is reduced. Heat is reduced. That is very, very important meditation that you can do. Chandranadi. And second, another one is breathe from the mouth. Take breathing from the mouth, breathe out from the nostril. So it will cool down your complete inner system, kill all the bacteria, create a aerobic condition inside you. It will bless you with a energy, right energy. So you can overcome your heat problem and all of that. And if it is too much, then you go and drink, buttermilk or coconut water, or drink more water. That can also be helpful to you. Shivoham, Shivoham, Shivoham.